Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Sandisk Clip Jam. Might be useful if you're giving it to somebody else or selling it on. So we need to get to the menu settings. So I'm going to hit the back button. I'm currently on radio here, hitting the back button here, and I'm going to move left and right until you get to settings. So when you see the gear icon there, hit this big middle button, and we're going to go into system settings, hit the middle button again, and we're going to go all the way down, or you can go up until we go to restore. And now I'm going to hit the middle button. It says restore back to factory settings, yes or no. So I'm going to move up to yes, and I'm going to hit the middle button. And now it says restored, and then when it comes back on, can you see now it's asking us to choose the language. So now what you can do is you can simply just hold the middle button down, turn it off, and then you can give it away or sell it on. Thanks for watching.